Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to share a brilliant Dollar Tree's Christmas ideas. So we engage in dye Christmas ideas for several reasons. First, dye projects allow us to express our creativity and personalize our holiday decoration by making our own ornaments, trees, and other decor items. We can add a unique touch to our homes and create a festive atmosphere that reflects our individual styles and preferences. Dye Christmas projects can be fun and engaging activity individuals, families and friends and participate in together. It brings people closer, encourages collaboration and creates lasting memories. It's a wonderful way to bond and spend quality time with loved ones during the holiday season. Dye Christmas ideas often offer budget friendly alternatives, store bought decorations. Many dye projects can be made using materials that are readily available or even repurposed from items we already have at home. This allows us to save money while still creating a beautiful and festive environment. Now, let's talk about why it is important to celebrate Christmas. Christmas is a widely celebrated holiday that holds different meanings for different people. For many, it is a time to celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ and the religious significance of the holiday. It is a time of prayer, reflection, and gratitude. Beyond its religious significance, Christmas has also become a cultural and social celebration that brings people together. It is a time to reconnect with family and friends, so show love and appreciation, and to spread joy and goodwill. Christmas traditions such as exchanging gifts, decorating trees, and sharing meals create sense of togetherness and strength bonds. Christmas also serves as a reminder to be kind, generous, and compassionate. Many people participate in charitable activities during this time, donating gifts, food, and their time to those in need. It is a time to extend a helping hand and make a positive impact in our communities. Overall, celebrating Christmas allows us to embrace the spirit of love, joy, and giving. It brings warmth and happiness to our lives and provides an opportunity to connect with our faith, loved ones, and the world around us. I hope you liked our today's video. So kindly do share, like, and subscribe our channel. Thank you and see you soon. Bye bye.
focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Think about others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your